good. But geez, the first sign of life, he gets the long pass to Jacoby Jones, and wow, there's up 7 the other way. This is Jacoby Jones. Jones dancing. And his mind, and this will be greeted with massive booing. Jones is deep. Jones will run this one back to about 6 yards deep. 25 on the sideline. And out of bounds by the Ravens offense until that last drive. They ended the